Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about some ways you can earn as a digital marketer. I get a lot of questions as to how to start your freelancing journey, and it's very saturated to start on those freelancing websites such as Upwork and Fiverr and all those things. So I personally haven't tried those websites, so I am no expert to tell you that will if it will work or no. But what I can give you is what I have tried and tested. So stay tuned till the end to watch the complete video. So the first way in which you can earn is by posting out content. Now, as Gary Vee says, provide enough value and then you need to sell to them. So provide enough of the value on LinkedIn, on Instagram, or on Facebook groups. Provide them enough value, engage with different kinds of posts, and people will automatically reach out to you. Second way that you can earn is by sharing your knowledge. So if you have one skill, like just one skill, that you can share it with the world, and you know that you are pretty expert in that skill, then definitely you should go and make a small ebook or a small course and sell it with the help of payment gateways such as Instamojo or Razorpay. So that will help you bring a little bit of more income, and if you have more income, then you can even create Facebook ads for these ebooks and courses that you sell, rather than going the organic way, because the organic way might take time, but it will be sustainable till the end. The way that you can earn as a digital marketer is by starting your own YouTube channel. Now, I don't recommend this if you are a newbie and you just want to start earning right away. But if you are doing a job, you can obviously start a YouTube channel at side of it, and as a side hustle, I can say. And till you start monetizing your YouTube channel, you won't get a single penny. But there are different ways in which you can earn with a YouTube channel, which are affiliate marketing, and as well as branding other people's content, that is doing brand deals. But that might take time because you do not have that many of subscribers at the beginning, until and unless you have money to spend on ads. Last and final tip is affiliate marketing. Now, many people would say that affiliate marketing takes time because it has you need to have a blog for it, and you need to have a good amount of followers or email IDs to actually promote your product. But I would say that select very targeted niche, and select a niche which no more people are not there in that niche. Like, for example, if you search for dog food or specific niches, such as fashion for small kids. So I'm just giving you an example, but search those niche that are not much popular but are being searched on Google. So for that, you will rank very well on Google as well, and people will directly click on your review, and they might even click on your affiliate link after reading your review. So what affiliate marketing is about, you get a certain amount of commission out of if they buy it from your link. So that is all about affiliate marketing, and I guess these 4 tips might help you as a beginner to start your career. But keep working hard. Even if you're not earning right now anything through digital marketing, you will eventually, because this field is very vast and every business needs digital marketing. So you can know the impact of this, and keep working hard. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I post videos every week, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.